When is your birthday?
Hi, Max. Hi, Daisy.
Hello, Anna. I have our question for today.
Awesome. When is your birthday? Oh, to answer this question, we need special words.
Cake. We need cake.
No, Daisy, we do not need cake. Well, not right now.
We need the months of the year.
Right, Max. So, let's sing the months of the year song. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December, 12 months in a year.
I want cake. Do you have cake?
My birthday is in May.
My birthday is in the month of November.
My birthday's in December. My birthday is December 17th. My birthday is in August.
My birthday was last month. It is over. But my son's birthday is tomorrow. I have a lot to do. I need to buy things for the party. Wrap his birthday gifts. Make cupcakes. Set up the party. But first, I need to shop. I am ready for my son's birthday party. I wrapped his gifts. I bought a card. They are rectangles. The party horns are triangles. I bought plates. They are circles. I bought napkins. They are square.
I want a cupcake.
Daisy, the party starts at 5 p.m. But you can help. You can hold the balloons. They float.
I am floating. Help! I am floating. I am floating.
Daisy, remember, the party starts at 5.
Get me down!
اگه دوست داری هر روز با 5 دقیقه تمرین به زبان انگلیسی مسلط بشی و از درس‌های جدید ما با خبر بشی، همین الان سابسکرایب کن